DreAllDay.com.
Most important thing on this play is just changing up the rhythm of how I set up my shots. He knows I can shoot. He knows I'm going to take the shot if I get an open look. So when I come in here, go through my legs a couple of times, a quick little hands up move to fake him out and then come right back with the shot. He doesn't get off the ground. You want to add a guaranteed 10 inches to your vertical, not a maybe 10 inches, a guaranteed 10 inches to your vertical. Go to DreAllDay.com/jump. Get the jump manual. When you get it, I'm going to give you 5 free hoop handbooks or any free DVD. All you got to do is email me the receipt. DreAllDay.com/jump. Get your bounce up. You watch me work on my game, now it's time to work on yours. The Hoop Handbook is a series of workout programs straight from my own personal experience working out and training on every aspect of basketball. Ball handling, shooting, scoring moves, scoring over bigger defenders, the crossover, post moves, your weak hand, off the court training, dunking, vertical, all of it's covered. All you got to do is follow the program step by step. The Hoop Handbook.